and we preach the gospel, we preach Jesus.
Yes.
Many Muslims are coming.
Yes.
And can you please explain to us how does it work? Because all the stories in Holland that we know from Pakistan
Yes.
is Christian persecution,
Yes.
difficulty,
Yes.
trouble. How is it possible that hundreds of thousands, even millions,
Yes,
come to
and
Christ?
we give all glory to Jesus because we love Muslim and Muslim love with us.
Amen.
And I love Muslim and Muslim love me so much, and we give all glory to Jesus because we live in this country like brother and sisters. And you see what they tell in the news, in the small bad news, they give them very big news like going bad everything.
Yes.
But good news is this, you see how can God is working in Pakistan.
Yeah,
This is different.
Yes.